Let's be real. AI tools are everywhere now, right? They're helping us write, create, code, you name it. They're incredibly powerful and are basically getting woven into our everyday lives. But, with all that power comes a kind of hidden rulebook. Not for the AI, but for us. So let's dive in.
It seems like a pretty straightforward question, doesn't it? But the answer? It's a little complicated. Every single time you type something in, you're having a conversation. But who or what is listening? Figuring out these unwritten rules of engagement isn't just a good idea. It's absolutely essential if you want to navigate this new digital world safely.
Okay, so let's kick things off with the most important rule of all. Seriously, this is the one that protects you, your job, and your privacy. It's all about guarding your data. I really like this way of thinking about it. Picture your most sensitive information locked away inside a super secure digital vault. And you hold the only key. So every time you talk to an AI, you have a choice to make. Are you going to open that vault? Your default answer always should be a hard no. And look, this isn't just about some vague idea of privacy. We're talking about the actual keys to your digital life. Things like your social security number, your passwords, secret company info, or your personal health and financial records. These are total non-starters. They just never, ever belong in an AI prompt.
And here's the really crucial part, the why. The internet doesn't really have a delete button. And AI models are constantly learning from the stuff we feed them. So once your info is out there, you honestly have no idea where it could end up or how it might be used. You basically lost control. The bottom line is simple. Keep that vault locked tight. All right, so you've locked down your data. Awesome. And now you're getting some incredible stuff back from the AI. But can you actually trust it? Like 100%? Well, that brings us to rule number 2. And it's all about remembering who's really in charge here. Spoiler, it's you.
The best way to think about an AI is like a brilliant, super fast assistant who, sometimes gets things wrong. It's a tool to help inform your decisions, not to make them for you. The second you start treating it like the ultimate infallible authority, just assuming everything it says is gospel, that's the exact moment you hand over your own power.
So what's the big takeaway here? You have to be the final checkpoint. Always. It doesn't matter if the AI gives you a statistic, a fun fact about history, or a piece of code. Your job is to double-check it. That means a quick look at a trusted source, the original research, whatever. You're the human in the loop, which means, at the end of the day, you're the one who's responsible. Now, this idea of being the human in the loop leads us straight into our third rule, which is a bit more subtle, but so important for using AI ethically. It's about seeing that these systems aren't neutral. We have to look for the human fingerprints and, the human flaws that are baked right into the machine.
So what is AI bias anyway? Well, think of it like a mirror. These AI models are trained on gigantic amounts of data from the internet, all stuff made by people. And if that data has our own human biases in it, which, let's face it does, then the AI is going to learn those biases and can sometimes even make them louder.
This quote really just hits the nail on the head. An AI doesn't just make up biases from scratch. It learns from us. It's just showing us the patterns, the stereotypes, and the problems that were already in the data we gave it.
And that brings us to a super important point. We can't just throw up our hands and blame the algorithm. The tech isn't an excuse. As the people using it and making decisions with it, we're the ones responsible for questioning the results, for challenging things that seem biased, and for making sure the final outcome is fair.
So when you put all of this together, a pretty clear theme starts to pop up, right? In this new world of AI, the most critical part of the whole system isn't the code or the computer chips, it's you. You are the human checkpoint. So here it is, boiled down to a super simple checklist you can use every single time. Number 1, protect your data. Keep that vault locked. Number 2, verify the output. Be the fact checker. And number 3, always consider the potential for bias. Protect, verify, consider. It's that easy. Because really, that's what this is all about. AI is easily one of the most powerful tools we've ever created. It's not good or bad on its own, it's just a reflection of how we decide to use it. These rules we just talked about, they aren't meant to hold you back. They're the guide to using that power smartly, safely, and responsibly. Now the choice is yours.